Today we are going to discussing about graphs of functions. This chapter is very important. Get ready. Yeah, very good morning. Yeah, Dimple, good. Get ready. So how to draw the graph, sir? Concept. Little practice is required. Okay, na? Otherwise confusing graphs. How to draw the graphs? I will tell you. Be ready. Okay. Dear students, now see. Okay. See the class. Listen the class carefully, dear students. Concept is what here? Transformation of graphs. Listen carefully. Okay. Now, first of all, drawing the graph of y is equal to f of x plus a. A belongs to any real number. How to draw the graph? With the help of y is equal to f of x, like that. Okay. This is the x-axis, y-axis, dear students. See carefully. Okay. For example, if they are giving y is equal to f of x graph, how to draw? See, I'm taking different colors. See, is the graph is given. For example, okay, now. So this is what your dear students, y is equal to f of x, for example. So how to draw f of x plus a? Dear students, suppose a is positive. Then what is the graph is coming? Any1. That is, the graph is coming like this. Y is equal to f of x plus a when a is positive. Positive means what? You are moving upwards. Okay, now, like that rough diagram. Y is equal to f of x plus a when a is negative 2. How to draw the graph here? Graphs of, see, e power x plus 1 is there. E power x minus 2 is there. Okay, now, using y is equal to e power x, for our x belongs to R. See carefully, dear students. Generally, okay, I'm taking C. As usual, x-axis, y-axis. Simple method. Y is equal to e power x means how to draw the graph? Anyone? Y is equal to e power x. Simple here. How do you just make a table? You can get the idea. This is the x, this is the y, like that. Put x is equal to minus 1. What is your answer? 1 by e. Put x is equal to 0, 1. Put x is equal to 1, e. 2 means 2 square, like that. So means for output is what? Always positive. That means what? Above the x-axis. Okay, x can mean anything. That means what here? But this graph is what here passing through 0, 1. See carefully. Okay. So how to draw the graph? Y is equal to, see carefully, dear students. Last time we discussed, strictly increasing. Y is equal to e power x. Fine. But what about if y is equal to e power x plus 1? What here? Put x is equal to same thing, dear students. Make a table. Put x is equal to 0. What the output is coming? Any 1. Passing through 0, 2. That means here, see carefully. Like this. What is the graph? Y is equal to e power x plus 1. Like that. Suppose y is equal to e power x minus 2. Y is equal to e power x minus 2. How can you say? Just make a table. x, y means e power x minus 2, x is equal to 0, minus 1. Okay, dear students, like that you can take the tables, 1 plus 1 plus 2, what happened like this, see. 1 means what here, e minus 2, e square minus 2. Anyhow, that is also strictly increasing, but some terms are coming below the x-axis. Okay, passing through what? 0 comma minus 1. So this graph is coming like this, y is equal to e power x minus 2. Slowly, slowly, you can get the idea. Practice is required. Draw the pictures. Okay, I'm proceeding for the next slide. See, y is equal to modulus of x means idea is there, graphs. How to draw the graphs of y is equal to modulus of x plus 2, modulus of x minus 1. Your students, see, these graphs are very, very important. Better. Y is equal to e power x is there. Then how to draw e power mod x? E power y is equal to e power minus mod x. Okay, fine. X, y. Y is equal to e power x, dear students, see. This is y is equal to e power x. But mod x means what here? X can be positive or negative. The mod x means always positive. So the graph is coming like this, see. X axis, y axis, the graph is coming. E power minus x idea is there. Y is equal to e power minus x. What is the graph? Here only draw the picture better. What is this? Y is equal to e power minus x. Okay. Now from these two cases, I'm taking only this part, upper part. So this is what? Y is equal to e power mod x graph. This curve is what you're passing through 0, 1. Dotted line is not possible. Okay, no, only draw this picture. How to draw the graph of y is equal to minus mod x? Put x is equal to 0. Of course, that is also passing through 0, 1. This is called as y is equal to e power minus mod x. So this is the graph. For this case, what is the graph? Like that. It's not a V. The curve is there. Like that. Now, graph of y is equal to 7 power mod x. Can anyone guess what is the graph? Anyone? Okay, this is the graph is coming exactly. This is a sharp edge is there, okay? Now, like that. So this is what your graph of like this. Graph of 7 power minus mod x. This is what your 0, 1. Put x is equal to 0. What is the value of y? 1 is coming. So please draw these pictures. Here base is what e. Here base is what 7. Both are greater than 1. Okay, take a screenshot. You can draw this picture later, okay? This is one is for only junior advanced. See. Now, y is equal to ln of mod x. The help of y is equal to ln x. Of course, x should be greater than 0. Okay. Dear students, I think all of you know this is the graph of y is equal to ln x. Clear? See carefully. Now, this graph is what here? This graph is what here? Y is equal to ln of mod x. Okay. See the blue color? Blue color is the graph is there up to here. That is y is equal to modulus of ln of mod x. X-axis y. One comma 0. ln of mod x means what you take x, x can be also negative because modulus is there. This is for only y is equal to ln x graph. Note. Graph of y is equal to 1 by f of x from y is equal to f of x. I'm going to take the rough diagram, dear students. See, I think whatever they're giving number, suppose function x, y, for example, take any one graph, suppose any rough diagram. Dear students, suppose this is y is equal to f of x. What suppose if I'm taking reverse process diagram? Volta is coming like this one. This graph is what here? Y is equal to 1 by f of x. We'll discuss one example also. What is the meaning here? Continuation. If suppose if f of x is increases, for example, then what you can say 1 by f of x decreases. That is, f of x is greater than 0 means then 1 by f of x is also greater than 0. But one is increasing, one is decreasing. That is the meaning. Yes. Suppose f of x is decreasing. If f of x decreases, suppose, then 1 by f of x is increases. So as f of x less than 0 means 1 by f of x is what? Less than 0. Also, conclusion, also, I think all of you know this one. F of x is suppose tending to 0, then 1 by f of x tending to what? Anyone? F of x tending to 0, then 1 by f of x is what? Tending to infinity. Yes, correct. So please add this point. After complete this one, we'll discuss some examples also. We can get the idea, dear students. So same graphs we once again, same graphs we have to discuss once again. Areas concept is the second year. That then we discuss once again. Okay. Now, if f of x tending to infinity, then what you can say 1 by f of x tending to 0. That means what here? Graph y is equal to f of x, y is equal to 1 by f of x intersects at f of x is equal to plus or minus 1. So that is f of x is equal to 1 by f of x. Should every time take is equal. Implies f of x is how much? Plus or minus 1. That is the meaning. Okay, this is the point. This point is very important. So graph of y is equal to f inverse of x and y is equal to f of x. So dear student, this is a very important concept. Most of the questions are asking based on this concept. See. So for example, y is equal to f of x or f inverse of x, anything. Okay. Now take another one. Y is equal to f of x. Then what you are observing, dear students? These two graphs see inverse to each other. What you are observing inverse to each other. Then here, what is this? Y is equal to x behaves as a line mirror. Here, y is equal to x is so y is equal to x is the line mirror. Dear students, y is equal to x is line mirror. Okay. So a simple example I'm giving every time. Example. Y is equal to e power x. Y is equal to ln x. Both are inverse to each other. Told you last time. So what is the best example? What is the graph of y is equal to ln x, e power x? a minute, I'm drawing the picture. Let's see. Y is equal to e power x. Y is equal to ln x. Both are reciprocal, which means inverse to each other, dear students. One is f of x, another one is f inverse of x. That's what I told you. Range of this function is domain of this function. Last time we interchange like this one. So please write on this one. So in this case, y is equal to x is what? Mirror image, line mirror. This one behaves as a line mirror. So this concept coming a special application of derivatives. Number of times we discuss in coordinate geometry. With the help of this one, we are solving number of questions with this concept. What is that? Y is equal to f inverse of x and y is equal to f of x. Now, this time, if they are given two graphs, now how to draw the graphs? Combine, okay? Certain interval. Get ready. After completing, please tell me I can proceed. Done. Oh dear. See? Now keep reading all of you. Draw the graphs of functions. Y is equal to maximum of f of x comma g of x or minimum of f of x comma g of x. How to draw the graphs of this one? Dear students, see. First of all, what they are giving, what the first step? First, write on. First, find the points of intersection of graphs f of x and g of x. How to find? So put f of x is equal to g of x. How to find the points of intersection? First, you should equate the functions. Okay. For example, see, dear students, I'm drawing the rough diagram. This is the graph, for example. Okay, just a minute. X, Y. So take it two rough diagrams. Dear students, see. For example, this is the one of the graph. Like that. This is, you should understand y is equal to g of x. For example. Get ready? Another one, suppose, take like this one. This is y is equal to f of x. Clear? So it is clear. It is clear from the graph. It is clear from the graph. Dear students, these two are intersecting, suppose, graph, okay? This is A. This is B. Okay, now what is the meaning? These two graphs are intersecting at A and B, for example. Okay, now that means what here? For x less than a, what you are observing? F of x is always greater than g of x. See, which one is above the graph? Here f of x is greater than g of x is coming. That means what you are observing? Maximum of f of x comma g of x means what the answer is coming? F of x. And minimum of f of x comma g of x is how much? G of x. That is the minimum. For example, graph is coming a is greater than a less than x less than b. So which one is the maximum? Which one is the minimum? Anyone? Suppose the value of x lies between a and b. Which one is the maximum graph? Anyone? See, this is the region. In this region, what is the case? Which one is the maximum? G of x is greater than f of x. Then, as usual, find out. So, what is the maximum? G of x. What is the minimum? F of x. That is the minimum. One more case is left. Can you guess what is that? That is more than b. Okay, no? So, for x greater than b, symbol C like that I'm taking. X greater than b. What is the case? Which one is the greatest? More than b means what here? Clearly, f of x is greater than g of x. So that is maximum of f of x comma g of x is how much? F of x. So minimum is g of x. So dear students, now see the graph carefully. The place is not sufficient. Just a minute. See the diagram carefully, please, all of you. Please watch it. Zero x. Listen carefully. What the graph is coming? Draw the pictures. Yeah, you have to draw. They will give rough diagrams. Otherwise, you should draw. See, dear students, if it is maximum, what the maximum is coming? Say from the three cases. So what is this? This is the diagram. A, C. So this is called as maximum of f of x comma g of x. Okay. What about minimum? Say diagram. Minimum is what you are coming like this. See. So this is what here, dear students, minimum of f of x comma g of x. So draw the pictures carefully. This is A, this is B. That is the final picture. Draw this one. Triple star. Now I will explain question. You can see. Two examples I'm taking. See. Draw the pictures neatly. And all of you submit the notes today. Only graph, today notes only. Shall I proceed here, students? Okay, thank you. See, based on this one, conclusion. One, maximum of f of x comma g of x is equal to, what is the answer? F of x plus g of x by 2 plus directly f of x minus g of x by 2. 2. Minimum of f of x comma g of x, f of x plus g of x by 2 minus question. Graph of, draw the graph of maximum of, this is the question. Dear students, see, so every time both are not possible graphs, both are the minimum of, maximum of, both graphs are not possible at a time. Okay, based on the question, you can see carefully maximum they're asking. But here, anyone, please tell me here how many graphs are there, anyone? What you're observing here, how many graphs are there, anyone? Graph of maximum of 2, anyone? 3, correct. 3, sir. Okay. What are there? Write down. Given y is equal to minus x, you should understand y is equal to, and y is equal to 1 plus x. Okay. So first of all here, see carefully directly and draw the picture, 3 graphs. After that, we'll take G graph carefully. First picture everybody knows. What is that? Which one is easy from these 3 graphs? Which one is easy? Anyone? Which one is easy graph? Yes, students. Y is equal to 2 minus x. All are straight line. Side is there. Yes, y is equal to Pranit. Excellent. So consider is the y is equal to, how is that? Parallel to x axis. That is the meaning. Fine. Okay. Y is equal to 2 minus x carefully. Put x is equal to y is 0. Sorry, put x is equal to 0 means y is equal to. That means this graph is also passing through 0, 2. Slope is negative. Okay. Fine. Put y is equal to 0. Then x is what here? 2 is coming. All of you observing? Make a table here. Dear students, see. X, y. I'm talking about y is equal to x minus 2. 2 means y 0. 0 means 2. Like that. 1 means 1. So this graph is coming like this. See carefully. Y is equal to x minus 2. Clear this is? Slope is negative, we know. And so 2 minus x, yeah. 2 minus x. 2 minus x. Slope is negative, of course, passing through 0, 2, 2, 0. Fine. Another one. Finally, one more graph is left. What is that? Y is equal to 1 plus x. How to draw? Y is equal to 1 plus x means positive. Slope is positive. Okay. Like this graph is coming. And put x is equal to 0. Y is 1. That means what you are passing through? Passing through 0, 1. Okay. What is the case? Simple here. Y is equal to 1 plus x is the x. X is 0 means y1. X1 means y2. X minus 1 means y0. What you are observing? Passing through minus 1, 0. Then how to draw this picture? Yes. So what is this line? This curve is what here? Y is equal to 1 plus x. So this is the picture now. Getting all of you? So among this case, what you are observing? So these two graphs are intersecting where 1 comma 0. See carefully. 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 is satisfied. See 1 comma 1 possible or not? See. So what is the point here? Okay, some point. Okay. So where they are intersecting, how to find? Simply that is not required, but I'm trying. Dear students, 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. This is 1 by 2 like that is coming. No problem. Yeah. Yes, absolutely correct, Pranit. Now, picture is what your maximum. What is the maximum diagram? Now, see, dear students, some maximum means how, what is the diagram is coming? Yeah. See, I'm drawing the picture this one and this one. This one is coming maximum. Zero. See, maximum diagram is coming. So our page is there here. Like that, see. This is the graph. So this is what here, dear students, maximum of 2 minus x to 1 plus x, that is the graph only maximum means. This is the C region. Yes, keep the correct, absolutely correct. Keep the drawing picture also, good. Like that is coming. That is the graph. Draw the pictures neatly, okay, and submit notes. With color pencils better, okay, no? With colors use. Don't use same color, better, dear students. One is pencil, one is black color, one is blue, like this you can use, all of you. One is red color, like this. Okay, now see, previous J means question, I mean, see advanced question. Graph of y is equal to, same question we are using in calculus. X minus fraction part of x, comma, minus x minus integral part of x. So here denotes greatest integer function. That's the meaning. How to draw the graph? This is very important, dear students. Briefly we discuss in integral calculus. This one, don't worry. So what do you mean x minus integral part of x means? Anyone? Do you know what is the graph? That's what practice is required, I'm saying. So yeah, fraction part, yeah. Graph idea is there. What is the range? 0 to 1, maximum 1 only. This is the 1. This is the graph. See carefully. Just a minute. This is not sufficient. Big size I'm drawing because it's not visible. This is 0, 1. Dear student, what is this? Y is equal to 1. Okay, no? Fraction part of x is always what here lies between 0 to 1 only range. Okay, but it is not touching the line y is equal to 1, but x is y is equal to 0 touching. Fine. So this is what here graph of y is equal to fraction part of x. That is x minus like that. For whatever graph of y is equal to minus x minus of integral part of x, that is in a one. See, I'm drawing the picture now. This is the graph. Okay. So this is what your graph of y is equal to minus x minus integral part of x like this one. Fine. So these two graphs are what you are observing in a one intersecting like this. See, what is the question they are asking? Minimum of x minus integral part of x like that. See, yeah. So can you guess what the graph is coming? Intersecting part. These two are intersecting. That is y is equal to 1 by 2 like this one. So that means graph is coming exactly like this. See. Minimum means what your below part. Okay, now guess what to say? Below part. Completely this one. Below part. That means what here? Diagram is coming like this. See. Exactly triangle shape is coming. What is this point? 0, comma 1 by 2. So that is the graph of. So please draw this picture, all of you. So in this case, they're asking find the area of these two graph. Find the area of this graph. So at the end we discuss integral calculus. After completing, tell me. Shall I proceed? That is completed. Okay, good. Yeah. Interesting, Dimple. Okay, thank you. Welcome. Okay. Dear students, see. This one also frequently we are using graphs. Okay, na? Graph of y is equal to mod x. Y is equal to modulus of x plus 2. like that, okay now? Y is equal to 1 minus x. So how to draw these type of graphs in one? Get ready. Dear students, we'll discuss various states. First of all, what is the graph of y is equal to mod x in one? Output is always positive. That means what here is the diagram. Y is equal to mod x. This is the graph. Okay. Horizon. X plus 2 means what here, dear student? The graph is moving towards left hand side. So this is the graph. Y is equal to modulus of x plus 2. Why? Because this graph is passing through minus 2 comma 0. That's the meaning. Same graph, suppose how to draw a graph of y is equal to modulus of x minus 2. So the graph is moving towards right hand side 2 units. That's the meaning. Y is equal to modulus of x minus 2. So for example, see carefully. What is this graph? Anyone? That is, what is the case? Anyone? Y is equal to mod x. Like that. See, difference is there or not? Minus 2 means right hand side, minus means right hand side, plus means moving towards left hand side. So please observe this point, all of you. So this is y is equal to mod x. Okay. So till now coefficient of mod x is 1 like that. Suppose it is coming negative. But how to draw these graphs? Sir? That's the question. Okay. See. Y is equal to minus mod x. Anybody knows graph? See carefully. This is the graph. What is this? Y is equal to minus mod x. Because x can be any number, but output is what? Always negative. Always negative means for below the x axis completely. That is the meaning. Fine. Dear students, now y is equal to 1 minus mod x. Y is equal to 2 minus mod x. How to draw these graphs? That is the question. Anyone can you guess? See carefully. 1 minus mod x already it is there. Better I will take this is same graph. Modulus of 1 minus mod x better. Dear students, see. And can anyone guess this one? Put x is equal to 0. What is the point? Passing through 0, comma 1. See. Put x is equal to 0. What is the value of y? 1. That means here, see, graph is coming like that. What is this point? This is 1, comma 0. This is minus 1, comma 0. So how to draw this type of graphs here? Simple. How to identify means take x is x, y. X is 0, y 1. X1, y 0. X minus 1, y 0. Like that, you can observe this one point. See carefully. So what about 1 minus modulus of x here? Same story. What are you observing? Anyone? X is equal to 0. What is the value of y? 1. X is equal to 1. 1, comma 0. Minus 1, comma 0 passing. But what is the diagram? Can you guess? It is coming exactly W shape. That is the graph. See carefully. Output completely. What is the value of y? X can be any number, but y is what here? Always positive means completely above the x axis. This one. Take x is equal to 1 by 2. Check it. 1 by 2 is coming. Take x is equal to minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is coming. That's why graph is coming like this only. Make a table. Then only draw the picture. So a lot of practice is required here, students. So in the meanwhile, we'll discuss some questions also. Get ready. Now I'm giving one question. Previous year advanced question. See how to draw the pictures. It's very easy. That one sure. Okay, no, dear students, it's very easy. I'm saying, see carefully. After completing, tell me. SV Rajesh completed. Jayant, Ram Lakshmi. Completed. Okay. Now write down a question. What type of questions you can expect? See carefully. Okay. After we discuss some graphs, find total number of solutions. Total number of solutions of the equation 3 power mod x minus modulus of 2 minus mod x is equal to 0. Dear student, they are not asking what are the values of x. They are asking how many solutions. That is the meaning. Clear? So here, how many graphs are there? How many graphs are visible? Tell me anyone. So in this case, see 3 power mod x is equal to 2 minus mod x. Take is equal to y. So I'm getting two graphs are there. What are they? See? Anyone? Get ready? 3 power mod x. Last time I told you 3 is what your base. It is look like y is equal to e power x. Dear students, see base is e greater than 1. Strictly increasing. So graph is what here anyone? X is equal to 0. Y 1. Like that is coming. Y is equal to e power 3, mean 3 power mod x. Y. But y is equal to modulus of 2 minus x means what you put x is equal to passing through 2 comma 0. See carefully. Passing through minus 2 comma 0 also. Put x is equal to 2. I mean y is equal to means put x is equal to 0. 0 comma 2. What is the graph? Like that is coming. See the graphs? How to draw? Modulus of 1 minus mod x means what w shape is coming. So this is the graph of C. Y is equal to 7 for mod x. Y is equal to 7 for minus mod x. So little practice is required this point. Okay. Now what they are asking? Number of solutions is same as number of points of intersection of these curves. How many times intersecting in a one? These two graphs? One is C, A. Another one is B. So number of solutions. How many? Only 2. That is the answer. Correct. 2 is the correct answer. Simple. That's all. They are asking like that. So DPP question, dear students, I'm giving DPP. Find total number of, tomorrow we discuss this question, okay? Find total number of solutions of the equation 7 power mod x into 5 minus mod x is equal to 1. This is the question. How many solutions are possible? Question number 2. Okay, 1, 2. 5 power minus mod x into modulus of 1 minus, like that. If I'm giving, what the result is coming? See, check it. Is equal to 1. Question number 1. Question number 2. Practice yourself. How many solutions are possible? Now you can proceed for the next question. Get ready. Okay. So it's very important this question, dear students. See. Now, shall I proceed? Okay. Find total number of solutions in 2 power x, 3 power x, plus 4 power x, minus 5 power x is equal to 0. 1, 2. 2 power x minus 5 power x is equal to 0. I'm choosing simple question. How to discuss, see, how to solve. Right now, I'll tell you. First, we discuss question number 2. Question number 2, that okay. Twelve power x, like that. You can take it, no problem. This should get ready. So question number 2, solve. 12 power x is equal to 5 power x. Dear students, see. So this one I can write 1 is equal to 5 by 12 whole power x. This is equal to y. Accepting all of you? Now, y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 5 by 12 whole power x. Get ready. So this is look like y is equal to a power x when a is less than 1. What is the graph, anyone? So this is the graph. Passing through 0, 1. Any doubt? For what about another case? Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5 by 12 whole power x. Y is equal to a power x. 0 less than a less than 1. So means what, dear students? How many times intersecting in a one? Therefore, number of solutions only one. These two graphs are intersecting where? 0, 1 only. Question number 2. This is question number 1. Solution. How to solve this one in a one? That's why I'm choosing it. Simple question earlier. So this one I can write. See carefully. Both sides divided with the 5 power x, 2 by 5 whole power x, 3 by 5 whole power x, 4 by 5 whole power x is equal to 1. So there are y is equal to 1 and y is equal to in this case put x is equal to 0. What is the value of y in a 1? Put x is equal to 0. What is the value of y? In graph here, put x is equal to 0. What is the value of y? 3. Yes. Good. Now draw the picture. Okay. See, in this case, one graph is coming like this only. So how you are drawing? Because here what is the power? This is what your y is equal to a power x. When a is less than 1, that is the graph of this one. Passing through what? This point is what? 0, 3. Clear. But one more graph is left. What is that? See? That is y is equal to 1. So these two graphs are intersecting at A. So number of solutions is 1. That's all. So dear students, so a lot of practice is required. Tomorrow also discuss some problems based on the graphs. Get ready. Don't